The new angle grinders from Bosch. Powerful, robust and durable. This is what you've come to expect from Bosch angle grinders. And these angle grinders now offer you triple protection in an intelligent way. The unique kickback stop, the restart lock and the distortion-resistant protective guard make work even safer. When cutting steel, the cutting disc can get jammed. When this happens, the kickback stop immediately detects that the tool is jammed and, in the interests of your safety, switches the tool off. On today's machines without a kickback stop, a recoil is encountered when the tool is jammed. This can cause the user to lose control of the angle grinder and it can be thrown back. You're on the safe side with the kickback stop because the cutting disc does not restart. Simply switch the angle grinder off and on again, and then you can carry on working. The restart lock on the new angle grinders offers additional protection. We've all experienced it before. Suddenly the power's gone. Whatever the cause of this, the angle grinder does not restart unexpectedly when the power returns. Work cannot be continued until the tool has been switched off and on again. Extra safety thanks to the restart lock. If the disc breaks, the distortion-resistant protective guard protects you. Today's conventional protective guards don't offer this protection. Pieces of broken disc are thrown in all directions. The distortion-resistant protective guard from Bosch protects you against this. The special ratchet mechanism prevents unwanted turning of the protective guard. What's more, it's easy to adjust and detach without the need for additional tools. Powerful, durable, and now with a triple protection system. The new angle grinders from Bosch. Bosch, invented for life.